In this video, we are going to look at how to create a Word document. We will also look at how to save a document. And finally, we will look at how to open a document. Let's get started. So I'm going to launch my Microsoft Word. When you launch Microsoft Word, this is the starting page. You have two options here. You can either choose a blank document to create a completely new document, or you can select a template. So the templates are pre-designed Word documents which you can use for your work. But I want us to create a new document. So I'm going to click on blank document. So after clicking on blank document, now I've just created a new Word document. And note that when you create a new document, the file name or the document name is document1. That is the default name for a newly created document. However, you can always change the name by saving the document with a different name. So we've just created a new document. Alternatively, you can create a new document by clicking on File. After clicking on File, from the options we have here, select New. When you select New, it gives you the option to select a blank document or select templates. So we can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus N to create a new document in Microsoft Word. So this is how we create a new document in Microsoft Word. Now let's look at how we can save our document. There are two ways we can save our document. We can use the save command, or we can use the save as command. So let's click on File again. So from the options we have here, you can see the save command here, and you can see the save as command here. So the save command is used when you are saving your document for the first time, or you can also use it to update changes to your document. So that is the function of the save command. As for the save as command, it is used to save a copy of a document with a new name, or you can use it to save a document in a different format, such as a PDF or the older versions of Microsoft Word. So let's try it. So let's save this document first using the save command. So I'm going to click the save command. So after clicking on save, because this is a fresh document or this is a new document, it is giving me the option to choose a location for my document. So we have OneDrive here. I don't want to save it on OneDrive. I want to save it on my computer. So I'll select this PC. After selecting this PC, I will navigate down and click on Browse. After clicking on Browse, as you can see here, I have my Save As dialog box here. So I'll come here. It says to this field, it says file name. So I want to save it as my document. So after typing my document, I'll click on Save. So after clicking on Save, look at what we have here. The name of the document has been changed from document1 to my documents. So now let's look at how we can save using the save as command. So I want us to change this name from my document to my first document using the save as command. So I will click on File. I will navigate down. This time around, I'm going to select Save As. So I want to save it on my computer. So I will select this PC. After selecting this PC, I will click on Browse, and I have my Save As dialog box here. So the name we save the first time is here, which is my document. This time around, I want us to save it as my first document. So I'm going to type the new name, which is my first document. So now I have my name, my new name here, my first document. So below it, I can choose a format for my document. So I can select the older versions of Microsoft Word here, or I can select the PDF. I can save it in that format if I want. So this is how we use the save and the save as command to save our work. Now let's look at how we can open an existing document. To open an existing document on Microsoft Word, click on File, navigate down and select Open. When you select Open, it displays the documents that are already opened in your Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, these are some of the documents I've opened. So I can select any one of them to open my existing documents. Alternatively, you can open an existing document by using the keyboard shortcut. Let's try it. So Control plus O. So when I press Control plus O, you see where it has brought me again. So this is how we open an existing document in Microsoft Word. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to like the videos. Thanks for watching.